today we got the banana nut and cinnamon pancakes. Or pancake breakfast. Yeah, we're making a whole breakfast. I'm not going to just make pancakes. I'm going to make the whole breakfast. But we're going to concentrate on the pancake. That's the main deal right now. It's the banana nut and cinnamon pancakes. Buttery pancakes, because I make that shit nice. Check it out, though.
All you're really going to need is the pancake mix, the peanuts, bananas, of course, and cinnamon. So that's it. Right now, we're going to just do the pancake batter. You know, pancake mix. Dump whatever. Put a little bit of milk. Just for kicks. Spread this around. You know. Alright guys, so after you mix that, obviously we're going to cut the bananas. And let me just put this aside. Prepare the bananas real quick. So we're going to, cut the bananas. So after I mix, obviously, I'm just, gonna dump it in there. Right, why not? Dump the bananas in there, I might add a little bit more later on, as I go if I need it. But right now, this is all I need. Okay? Mix it around a little bit. Try not to break them up. Because we are the shiznits. Alright guys, so we're gonna do bacon too, right? But come. We're gonna do bacon in this air fryer thing that because we got it for a reason. This looks like bacon, right? It's bacon. 15 minutes. Whatever. Looks like bacon. So we're gonna try the air fryer for the first time. Well, I am. Because I don't really cook in this because I like to cook, So I cook. But just try it. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, look, I made a mess. That's what I get. Alright. So yeah, at least try to place it to where it's gonna cook evenly. So yeah, separate them. Put them in there. This bacon. There's an air fryer. It's not complicated.
see the color draining from my face? Or is it also stupid? All the above? Hello, everyone. Welcome to Skincare with Tyler. If you don't know who I am, I'm Tyler. You know your skincare routines. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Videos.
Alright guys, so there you have it, the banana nut and cinnamon pancake breakfast. If you guys have anything else you want me to do, yo, just let me know. I want to shout out real quick Nicole Soto for the Chinese rice with a Spanish twist. That's coming on the way. Also, we got on the way by a request from Jada Scott, the cheeseburger corn dog coming through. That's coming soon. That's going to be fun. I want to make that one. That's going to be fun. So we're going to be doing that soon. And if you guys have any other recipes or anything you wanted me to try, just, yo, let me know. Kid Lex out west. Subscribe.